Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Gardens are like living canvases with plants, flowers providing endless inspiration for art. The colors, shapes, and textures found in a garden can speak creativity in various artistic mediums, from painting and sculptures to photography and poetry, offering artists a wealth of ideas to explore and express. Botanical art involves capturing the intricate details of plants with precision and artistic flair. Each leaf, petal, and stem holds a unique pattern and structure. Artists can showcase the beauty and complexity through illustration, delicate watercolor painting, and inspire a sense of wonder and creativity. So, enjoy this beautiful garden here. Observe it closely and explore and interpret through art. Thank you so much.